The White House Initiative on Historically Black Colleges and Universities held its 2018 HBCU Week Conference September 16th through 19th in Washington, D.C. The theme was HBCU competitiveness, aligning institutional missions with America's priorities. In one of the partnerships and research panel discussions, NASA's goal to award $190 million in contracts to HBCUs was discussed. Here are highlights from a presentation by Mr. Michael Townsend. He is the Senior Director for Supplier Diversity at the Science Applications International Corporation.
One of my roles in SAIC is bringing HBCUs to our programs to support us as subcontractors, okay? SAIC is a premier technology integrator. We provide full lifecycle services and solutions to the government and as well as state and local and commercial customers. We go to market across three areas: defense systems, federal civilian, that's everything that's non-DOD in the government, and then national security. Those are your three-letter agencies as well as the Air Force. We do that in three particular areas: engineering, integration, and mission solutions, information technology solutions, and platform integration, logistics, and sustainment. So I wanted to highlight our relationship, our relationship with Oakwood University. We've had a successful, very successful relationship with Oakwood since 2008. That's when we entered into a mentor-protege agreement with them at NASA. Okay, they were our direct protege there. Over the 3-year period, faculty, students were involved in being mentored. They were also actual part of our workforce as we served and delivered to NASA. And I'm not going to go through every bullet on the slide here, but a couple of things you need to see that are important. Students and faculties were on our teams as technical partners. So they worked side by side with us at NASA. And as you see, we brought over, and I think the number is kind of low here, but I think we've done greater than 100 students have gone through this program, and some of those students have become SAIC employees. What made that agreement successful? Any mentor-protege agreement that you get into with a large prime, it should enable you to become better than what you were when you started that agreement. Our goal was to make Oakwood a better partner to us so that we can use them across our portfolio of NASA contracts and also prepare them to go out and stand on their own and become a prime contractor to NASA as well as a subcontractor to our competitors. Okay. Internally, we had to teach ourselves how to work with HBCUs MI, and I'll talk about, and before I finish, some of the other relationships we've had with HBCU MIs, because it goes beyond Oakwood. But the first thing we had to teach ourselves was that we're not dealing with a regular small business. You're dealing with a university that thinks like a university, not like a business. Right. And that's one of the biggest challenges we have when we go out to reach out to the HBCU community, okay? Finding the right person to talk to, number one, okay? Number two, getting them to understand we're not giving you money, we're not giving out grants, we're going after competitive contracts, and we see something within your institution that will help us with innovation, technology challenges, that we would like to at least engage with you and start that conversation with you about what can you, not just signing you because you're an HBCU MI. Right. Okay? We're going to put you to work on these contracts, okay? Be prepared to talk with me when you come meet with me. I'm 60 years old and I have ADHD to the max. So if you don't grab my attention within 1 minute, I haven't heard anything you said after that. So be prepared when you come and talk with us, okay? That 30-minute pitch to get my attention is exactly what you need.